Find or read reviews that people are talking about TryLand mini projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. High definition video with 4K compatibility. Amazing picture quality and vibrant visual effects. True native resolution of 1280 x 720p and powerful peak brightness of 200. Combining a static contrast ratio of 800 by 1 and a dynamic contrast ratio of 10,000 by 1 to reduce eye fatigue, this projector brings your favorite movies, shows and games to life, even on a 100-inch large screen. Stream Netflix, YouTube, or Roku easily with a TV stick and enjoy a true movie experience at home or outdoors. Note: TV sticks are not included. Smart projector with Android TV. Experience a world of entertainment with access to over 4,000 applications at your fingertips, including popular streaming platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. Enjoy an extensive library comprising over 500,000 movies and TV shows. Our mini projector, equipped with Android, a Mali G31, GPU, and Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensures seamless connectivity and exceptional performance, providing a truly intelligent viewing experience. 210 degrees rotatable stand offers more versatility than standard 180 degrees. And portable size, 8.2 x 3.9 x 3.9 inch. Weight, 850 grams. It is convenient to carry and can be placed in a backpack or a single shoulder bag. Whether it's movie night in the backyard, RV camping, garage karaoke, or even yoga or online classes, this projector supports tabletop, ceiling, wall, and tripod mounting to fit your setup. In addition, the portable projector adopts a rounded aesthetic design with smooth lines and astonishing functions, making it a perfect gift for birthdays, Halloween, Christmas, and other festivals. With remote Keystone correction and a zoom range of 50% to 100%, you can easily adjust your screen size, 30 to 100 inch, without moving the projector. The projection distance is between 3.9 and 14.8 feet, and the aspect ratio is 16 by 9 or 4 by 3. With advanced LED tech and even lighting, the edges of the projection look brighter and sharper. This makes sure the images are realistic, full of life, and vibrant. Plus, the mini projector uses diffuse reflection to help reduce eye strain. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.